Hello, welcome to machine learning. This tutorial is all about machine learning, introduction to machine learning, and why to opt for this particular domain. You know, as you could see, the front, the first image, I think you can see a robot which is predicting the stock. I could see the Bollinger Band in front, in just a front of the robot, and it is seeing how the prediction will go on. So I don't know that you know or don't know about the Bollinger Band, but leave the concept. The concept is this human-like structure is having such a memory that which when trained is definitely going to predict the things. So this is what really machine learning is. The machine learning means it is the new way of learning which makes machine or computer to learn. Just and compare with a child who is taught by his mother about the different things, and after the completion of a training, the child performs things by itself or by himself or herself and applying the same concepts to the machines too. Means once the machine is trained, they try to predict the things or do the things by themselves, making the machines automatic. A new phase of life, a new phase of learning. Now, going deep into the machine learning, deep learning, and AI, I could just draw a diagram and reflect you back that AI means artificial intelligence, machine learning is a part of AI, and deep learning is a part of machine learning. It means if you are talking about the AI, I'm talking about the machine learning and deep learning. If I say I'm talking about the machine learning, I'm talking about the deep learning also. Now, you know, the intelligence, the artificial intelligence, one of the greatest example in the era of AI is Robert Sophia. If I say about the Robert Sophia, a great invention by Dr. David Hanson. Seriously, if I could speak about the Robert Sophia, the such a robot who has now given the citizenship of the South Arabia. She can discuss the things, she can learn the things, she can drive the car, she can talk like we all talk, and she could do the things even somehow better than us. So this is the level where we have reached. This is the new phase of the life. This is the new phase of technology. This is the coming future, which is AI, artificial intelligence. Now, friends, let's discuss what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning. I said earlier that if I want to go deep into the machine learning, it is none else than deep learning. But if I could say that if the data set is small, go for the machine learning. If the data set is high, go for the deep learning. Machine learning algorithms can run on the low end devices, but for the deep learning, we need high end hardwares. Deep learning is about unsupervised feature learning, which means the layers itself learns the feature. You don't have any expert or manually extract the features. One of the example, I pause for time to rethink, just giving you is CNN, which is a deep learning model. The layers of the CNN learns the feature of the image by itself. Either it is edges, it is a main part, central part, or anyhow any part. Deep learning models, because of the high data set and a huge amount of the parameters, takes large time as compared to the machine learning as an execution time, but the accuracy of a deep learning is quite high as compared to machine learning. Now, if I could reflect the next slide, it is all about the types of machine learning. Basically, machine learning are of three types. One is the supervised, another is the unsupervised, and third, it is a reinforced. Supervised means, you have the target along with the data. means along with the data you have one column which signifies the target. It is further categorized into two types: classification and regression. You know, this tutorial is all about an introduction to machine learning, so I will not go into the depth structure of machine learning. I just want to convince you why machine learning is important, why you should have to opt for this, what is the miracle behind the machine learning, and see what is the anomalous future. And the world is changing towards artificial intelligence, but why? If I talk about unsupervised learning, I'm talking about the clustering. I'm talking there is no specified target. The target is missing. We have only data, and depending upon the patterns, the new data is being classified. If I talk about learning through the experience, I'm moving towards the reinforcement. But friends, this is not this video is all about. This video is all about the climax, which is coming in the next part. Let's see that. Applications of machine learning. Why? Virtual personal assistant. No. I'm just talking about Siri, Alexa, Cortana, Microsoft Cortana, Amazon Alexa, Siri Apple, Amazon Echo. These names I heard, I use daily. I know I have seen the video of YouTube Rock. He's saying to Siri, when I have to move, Siri says, you have to move to the office at 6 a.m. Siri, please set the alarm to 3 p.m. Siri sets the alarm to 3 p.m. Now just try to imagine yourself how these things are getting automatically. How a Siri or an assistant or a machine understands our natural language, how it processes and how it reflects back. Don't worry friends, just come to the era of machine learning. Come to the era of artificial intelligence. So this virtual personal assistant are none other than these devices which I have now just recommended. Video surveillance. Quite thing. A man sitting the whole day surveilling all the vehicles which are going, surveilling the public to understand that whether this part is safe or not. It's quite complex. Today the machines are so powerful that they surveillance the traffic, the people, the surrounding, the area by some of the parameters. Like if some people are standing at a place for a quite a large period of a time, it may lead to some kind of clues that okay, there is some kind of problems here. So this kind of stuffs come in the video surveillance, that how to surveillance the video and anything can come in the video. But for the manually humans, it's quite complicated and hectic schedule. Coming to the recommendation system. Just coming to the Facebook. Open the Facebook. You see the friend recommended to you. And you just get surprised. How the Facebook know that I know this person? This is none other than the recommendation system. And thanks to the machine learning which made this successful. Face recognition. Sometimes we're tagging the friend in the Facebook itself recommends that this is the name of a friend. How it is possible? Friends, just surprise everything behind is machine learning. Go to the Pinterest, a machine learning, totally app of machine learning, a company of machine learning is Pinterest. Getting the similar things. The concept is same, none other than machine learning. Array, wow, see this, what a great pic it is. AI chatbot. I have gone through a numerous number of sites and I see that there is customer support, and this is AI chatbot. Online customer support 24 hours, no need of any manual work. The employees there, the machines are fed with the data and they respond to us. See, today the world is changing and the programmers are in great demand. If you know a good amount of language, maybe it's Python, R, MATLAB, don't worry. If you know how to code, today is the golden era of the crop, because the world is changing a lot bit. Spam and malware filtering. Sometimes when I get the mail from the Gmail, it says that no, this type of mail is spam. How? Just rethink again. It's all because of machine learning. Every such activities are filtered because of machine learning. Sometimes we see the Gmail gives us the automatic reply of the things. How it is possible? It says that for a particular sort of mail, whether what the options you want to opt. Don't worry, it's all about machine learning. It is because of machine learning. Disease prediction. Okay, if I say about the UCR repository, if I say about these repository, it contains the disease data set, and if you apply it as machine learning algorithm like spot vector machine, spot vector regression, K means clustering, K nearest neighbor, random forest, you can actually predict if there is an actual sample, real-time testing, whether the person is having a particular disease or not. Giving you one of the examples, the giant company Google, it has successfully tested the diabetes test because on behalf of machine learning. See, if I get about the product recommendation, fashion recommendation, product recommendation, if any of the app I am talking about, if any of the artificial intelligence point I am talking about, if friends in somehow I am talking about the machine learning or deep learning, or I am talking about the artificial intelligence. Now the last question, that is to thank you and for listening to this video and providing your valuable time.